Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So if you haven't yet checked out my unboxing video of the new Mini 2, then don't forget to check that out. There will be a card above my head right about now, and there will be a link in the description below. So what I'm doing on this video is, as per the title and the thumbnail, I am testing out the video quality between both of these drones. So I'm going to be testing out 4K on the Mini 2 and then 2.7K on the Mini 1, and I'm going to combine this as a range test to see how much better Ocusync 2.0 is than Wi-Fi. So let's get started. Right guys, so this is actually a dual purpose video. So what I'm going to do is just going to make sure I'm on manual transmission on the little Mini 1, and I'm going to flick over to channel 9, and I'm going to remain on that for all the tests. And because this is a joint video and I'm using this footage for both, as you can see, I'm at 2.7K 30, EV is 0 and AE is locked, and it is the same on the Mini 2. Okay, so I'm going to press record on both right now, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the Mavic Mini 1 up in the air and then start the other one. Right, so we're going to get up to a set height to make this completely fair. So I'm going to make that 40 meters. I'm actually just going to unlock that and set the EV value to -3, and I'm actually going to change it back. And I'm constantly getting these aircraft signal interferences, so I'm just going to put the other one up in the air now.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Oh, look what we've got there. We've got the other Mini. Right, so let's get started. So we're going to head forward now. And we're just going to test the signal. We are obviously on this controller on the Mini 2, we are in dual band Ocusync. As you can see, we're a little bit foggy today. So absolutely equal. Going into a little bit of fog. We're just going to follow the other drone. Quite cool, don't you think? So 650 meters. Little prediction, I think the Mini 1 will probably give up about 1500 meters, then we might see it return to home. Just keeping it in view so I can compare the footage. Quite cool this, don't you think? Looks like we're overtaking it. And I'm actually getting a poorer signal here. There we go, back up to a decent strength. Precision flying, I'd like to call this. So going up to the 1200 meter barrier, like I say, I would fully expect the Mini to start breaking up signal. 1500 meters in. Little tilt down on the gimbal. I've not yet played around with the settings on these actually, but getting some good footage, hopefully. (1,800 meters). Surprised to see the even though we're getting that aircraft signal interference message on the Mavic Mini, it's still holding strong. It's still going. And what's that? That's a disconnection. Right, okay, so the Mavic Mini clocked out at 1,900 meters. And obviously we've lost that now.
Maximum flight distance reached.
Oh, and I've gone 2,000 meters, so obviously we beat it. Let's quickly extend that. Sorry, little error on my part there. So we're going to keep going. Got plenty of battery left. Oh, we're getting weak signal. And that's at 3,600 meters. So I'm going to push this to 50% battery, unless we lose signal first. And then we're going to bring it back. 4,000 meters should just about do it. Don't want to push it any further than 53%. And I think 4,000 meters is a good base test, but as you can see the RC is struggling a little bit, and we do have some lag and latency on there as well. Right, I think we'll call it 4,050 meters. We are struggling for signal now. And like I say, we're in an urban environment.
Flight distance reached.
Right, we've reached that, 51% battery. I think it's time we come home. Right, so what do you make of that test? So, as it exactly promised, I would test the Ocusync against the Wi-Fi. Obviously the Ocusync won, but it did only get me to about 4,000 meters. Now, a little spoiler is I've taken enough footage today, because I've been doing some range tests on the original Mavic Mini. So, little spoiler, check that out. But Ocusync, did it perform as well as some range extenders on the Mini one? Check that video to find out. It will be sort of uploaded at the same time. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the footage that I've put up today, and I hope you could see a big difference with the 4K. Obviously, at the time of me recording this, I've not seen the footage myself, but like I say, I would imagine the 4K did look good. As you saw, all the settings on both drones was exactly the same, so you can really just make out the out-the-box difference between the two. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you did, and then see you on the next one.